What's up mga paps and to all Ilonggos all over the world? Check out these old pictures of Haro, Iloilo City. Do you want to know how they look today? Coming right up. So mga paps, I am a member of a Facebook group called Old Iloilo. And the good people in this group are uploading cool pictures, fascinating pictures of Old Iloilo. Most notably kay Sir Nerio Lujan. Mga pictures na gina-uploads nila, mga dinumaan yung photos. Most of them, in fact, are black and white. So, like most people, I have a natural curiosity for history. Kag naligaw gid ako tan-aw sa mga pictures kag mag-wonder kung ano gid ang pangabuhi sa una. Anyway, naisip ko nga kantuan ang mga locations na sa mga old pictures kag i-capture sa video. Gin-try ko gid nga mag-posisyon sa exact spot sang photographer, sang photographer of the past. I just want to tell you nga ginpakot-pakot ko lang ang mga lokasyon, in-try ko gid, no, nga magpareho gid sa original nga picture. Bisan medyo delikado kay may mga salakyan. Pero for now, haro lang anay kay taga-haro man ako. So here we go. Let's start with the most interesting landmark in Haro, the Haro Belfry. So I have 3 pictures of Haro Belfry here from a similar spot in 3 different times. Okay, this picture is said to be taken in the 1890s. Don't let the colored image confuse you. This photo seems to be restored and color remastered. You can see the building on the left was pretty ancient and the people had that old school fashion. Okay, fast forward to about 30 years, it turned to this. The spot has slightly changed, but pretty much pareho gyapon ang area, same location. You can now see electric or telegraph posts, mga poste, which is not seen in the older photo. So the building on the left was Botica Escarilla Drugstore, which was eventually demolished and replaced by the now famous Don Joaquin Ledesma Mansion, also called the Leaning Mansion. So a few years later, probably around 1925, the buildings look different na. Okay, the building you see here on the left is now the La Isabelita Hall inside the Haro Cathedral grounds. The then Botica Escarilla or the Leaning Ledesma Mansion is behind the camera, and the Haro Plaza should be on the right side, as you can see there. Fast forward today, the E. Lopez Street is busy as private and public vehicles and pedestrians crowd the place. The plaza on the right is now green with very thick trees, almost covering the view of the belfry. If you are wondering where I am standing, I am in the corner of E. Lopez and Halandoni streets. Here are the old photos of the belfry. This is perhaps one of the older photo of Campanario de Haro. This was taken in 1905. It looks strong and formidable because even though it is primarily built for religious reasons, it also acted as a military watchtower back then. This one was after it was destroyed by the Lady Kaikai earthquake in 1948. As you can see, only the bottom block is left intact. Lady Kaikai, a very strong earthquake, destroyed a lot of buildings, particularly churches in Iloilo and most notably the Haro Belfry. So in the 90s, the Haro Belfry was restored by the Iloilo City government. Now this National Historical Landmark still stands with all its majesty. It beautifully stands out like a sore thumb in the busy streets of E. Lopez Haro. It's pretty much the oldest looking structure there. If you are new to the place, it gives you a feeling of awe. It's like you traveled to the past. Lastly, this picture of the belfry from a different angle with the Harrow Cathedral in the background is taken in the 70s. As you can see, the belfry was not restored yet, as it looked like a war-torn garrison tower. The photographer was positioned in the Harrow Plaza to get this photo. So, I tried to get to that same position and capture this video. You can see some slight differences, but it is more or less the same angle. The belfry is fully restored, and you can see that the Plaza Harrow is now fenced. So, that's it for now. I'd love to feature other old photos of Iloilo. If you have any suggestions, just comment down below. Ilonggo Dad, out.